So here we are giving a function, the square root of 1 over x squared, not x squared, x to the third, and we want to find its derivative. What we can do is rewrite this function, so with that we can use the power rule. This can be written as this way, so square root can be written as half, and then we can gonna be the half at the top and half at the bottom. Square root of 1 is just 1, and the bottom we can do is multiply the power, which is gonna be 3 over 2. Now we can also rewrite this into x to the negative 3 over 2. Now we are ready to apply the power rule. So the negative 3 over 2 will go down and the power will be subtracted by 1. This also can be written as this way, so we can get rid of the negative. This is the same thing, so we want to find the first derivative. So first we need to write this so we can use the power rule. So we bring x to the top, and then we will multiply the x. When we multiply the x, we will sum the powers. So now will be x and then x to the minus 1. Now we are ready to use the power rule. The power of x is just 1, and then the power will be subtracted by 1, and same thing applies to x to the negative 1. That's as our derivative. Now for the second problem, also we need to rewrite this into something we can use the power rule. So it's always the first step is to write it into something familiar so we can use the power rule. Again, when we have a variable x multiplied by each other, the power will be summed. Now we are ready to use the power rule. But before, let's add the powers. So that can be x over 3 over 2 and x1 over 2. Now we are ready to use the power rule. So again, the power will go down and the power will be subtracted by 1. And the same thing applied to the second term. This is just to find the power, so it's not messy when we write it. Also, we can rewrite this. So remember, half is just square root of x. So 3, 2, and then multiply by square root of x, then a plus half 1 over square root of x. That's the derivative.